Okay, today we are going to discuss how to prepare the technical seminar PPTs. Okay, I have already made one video, some guidelines, oral guidelines I have given, keeping so many students, so many mistakes done by different students. After giving those guidelines, 50% or 60% improvement is there. But still some of them orally when I explain, unable to understand exactly how it can be done. They are thinking that they have done, but actually it is not done. So they are not having full clarity how it can be done. So keeping those in my mind, I collected three PPTs. These are done by my own students of Narayanamma Engineering College, and best three collected. Then I have made some corrections. One is done up to 70% correct, one is up to 80%, one is up to 65%. So wherever corrections are necessary, whatever way I think it is correct, accordingly I modified. So I have gone through those each and every slide. I have modified. So those three PPTs I am planning to show to everyone. So all of you go through these three PPTs, and definitely it will give very good useful information so that you can prepare your own PPTs. It can be a project seminar, it can be a technical seminar, it can be any seminar, or it is also useful for faculty and students of any branches. It is useful. Okay, so all of you listen this lecture till the end, then only you will understand what are the all possible mistakes. Actually, these are the corrected one. Here and there, how they do the mistakes also I will explain. So we'll start with first slide, a technical seminar on. This technical seminar on font size I selected 40. Infrared plastic solar cell is 54. So what is the mistake students are doing? A is one line, technical seminar second line, on third line, infrared plastic solar cell is another line. All are selecting in same color and same size. Technical seminar should not be highlighted. Infrared plastic solar cell is the topic. This should be highlighted, not a technical seminar on. So technical seminar on color, I made it a dull color, which is similar to the background. And this topic color should be highlighted. So this color is changed. Not only that, this size is 54, whereas technical seminar size is 40. And your name and rule number should not be highlighted. However, name and rule number is important. So name below rule number is sufficient. Some students are writing name and rule number, branch, section, college. Not necessary. This is, you are not presenting an outside the college. You are presenting in the same department in your own staff members only. You need not mention section. Teacher already know that you belongs to which section, you belongs to which branch. They know already. So judges should know your name and rule number only. And topic important technical seminar. Even a technical seminar on also not a must, but some are writing it is not a mistake, but that should not be highlighted. And here the student shown one image. Always image speaks 1,000 times better than words. So it's an infrared plastic solar cell. So plastic, it is a bending, and it is a solar cell. Background sunlight is shown, clouds, sun is shown. it is bent because it's a plastic, and infrared, some red color is also there. So this image speak exactly what is the title. Okay, every topic it is not possible, but in this topic it is possible. It is nice. Okay, so this slide I have modified, and this is now better than previous one. So lively modifications I thought of telling, but that will take half day. So I spend 3 to 4 hours going through all these slides and editor completely. So that much time you can't spend. So ready-made only I am showing. Next, heading should be content, contents, not the index. So these contents, every chapter heading color is same. You can just observe everywhere heading color is same. Heading earlier this heading content color is different. This color is different. Next slide onwards it is changing. So no, this is one slide. So this content color, next heading colors also should be same. So that is one thing. All these things done in complete capital letters, or it can be first letter capital, remaining normal also all right. Okay, so this is the content is important. Next, introduction. In the content, what is the first is introduction. Next, introduction. So every para is justified. Just to see right side. Justification means it should be straight. In this slide, all the right edges are straight. That is the meaning of justification. Select the para, control J. It will be justified. Or justification, for example, if you select like this, so here it is justified. This is the left justification. If it is left justified, it looks like this. This is it looks very ugly. Okay, if it is a center, if it is center, this is not good. Right alignment, not good. Justification. So right side is straight, left side is straight. Bullet is there. After bullet, these points should be again straight. Some students, first line bullet, second line, first letter coming under the bullet. No, bullet should be separated. Text should be separated. Okay, that is another suggestion. And see the line spacing here. What is the line spacing? It is not one, it is not 1.5. Line spacing options, line spacing. Here actually in this line spacing, so single, 1.5, double. If it is 1.5, space will not be sufficient. Double means 2 not sufficient. Better select exactly. So 33 points I have selected. Entire this slide I have selected 33. Okay. So 33 is more than one line spacing, less than 1.5. It is in between, so that readability will be better. If that line spacing is not there, it looks like a clumsy and difficult to read. And each bullet point, more space should be given. So in this para, line to line space should be less than bullet point to another bullet point in between space. So if you observe, this bullet point space, this bullet point space is more. So it is always better to have little bit more than that. So, and like that you can prepare. Background is one color, text is one color, heading is another color. Heading size is 36. If I selected 36, entire slides, everywhere it should be 36 only. Text I have selected 24. Everywhere it should be 24 only. Unless if it is some special case, maybe you can reduce. Just because of one line space is not sufficient. Minorly you can adjust, but not drastically. Okay. If necessary, you can go for a next slide. So 24 is the text. Heading is 36. Okay, and background one color I have selected. And common routine mistake is background color should not dominate. Background should be light, text should dominate. Text should have some contrast with the background. So because ultimately judges are focusing on the text, not the background. Presenter also focusing on the text, not on the background. So text should be highlighted. Heading should be highlighted. Heading should be always at the center. In previous slide, this content the student originally kept left side. So I made it center. Okay. So everywhere heading should be center only. Then this page numbers, total 32, 3 by 20, sorry. Total number of slides are 22, 3 by 20. It's a third slide. So that you will be knowing where you are. Judges also will guess whether student is going slow or fast. Okay. Slide numbers preferably bottom right corner. Bottom side right corner. Not at the top, not right corner, not at left. So bottom right corner is the best convenient. It is easy to identify. Next. This is another slide here. First bullet point, this right margin is different, second is different. The reason is I have to insert a figure. If I increase this right margin of second bullet point, so what is the space available for me is only this much. That is not sufficient. So purposefully this alignment will be different. There must be some reason why it is different. Depending on the situation, you should know how to justify. And these figures always, some students are leaving some right margin. So they are giving something like this. So they are showing small. They are showing small like this. So this space is already there, na? When you want white, you have to utilize the maximum space. Better to increase the full space so that whoever is watching, they read content better. Because this whole space I am allotting for this image, all these bullet points, right margin is same. So that is the advantage. Okay, if necessary, the space is not sufficient, left margin can be adjusted. Okay, accordingly. Okay, so bullet to bullet space is there, line to line space uniform is maintained. So all this symmetry is maintained. So like that. So here more information is there. All bullet points are. See bullet points here, dots are selected. Observe every slide, same style of bullet point is selected. Okay. Don't focus on the content, just to how slide is prepared, that only I am focusing. There may be some mistakes in the content, that is not my intention now. Okay. So like this, here right margin is adjusted. Even if you want, this image can be increased, but for this it is sufficient. Sometimes students, what is the mistake they are doing is this, they are increasing up to here. If the matter is more, for example, maybe next one if I take. See, here background is light, here background is dark. Energy in is not visible, readability is missing. So better to fix the right margin here only, so that readability is maintained. Okay, that is also important. So here this right alignment different. Okay, here it's a principle. Here bullet points only point not possible. Generally any PPTs, a one line, 1.5 line or a 2 line length is allowed. Big paras not allowed. But it's a principle, no problem. But maximum wherever possible, avoid big paras. Because you can't expect a judge will read these paras And if you are reading this pair as it is, it gives an impression that you are reading the slide as it is. If necessary, these points you can write it on the paper. With the help of paper, you can read, but to show only important key points. Okay, so more or less all slides symmetrically prepared. This is another table. So here table heading color changed, and even in the table, content is justified. Content is justified. Here one bracket space also given. Earlier these spaces are not there. I kept these spaces. So like that it is arranged and comparison between these two. So these images also shown. Application. This application is one color. What is that application is another color and figure is shown. That gives a better. So telecommunication system is an application. How it is useful. Similarly, immediately right side it's a picture. Hydrogen powered car is an application. How it is used and there is a right side application. So this picture speaks 1,000 times better than these words. Okay, so that's how arranged. Similarly, advantages. When two images are there, don't combine them. So small space is also, small gap is also given. More or less both sizes are same. Small gap is maintained. This number, if I am showing here, it gives a wrong meaning of sometimes not clear. So purposefully this number shifted to left side. So advantages, disadvantages, improvement, future scope. Okay. Then conclusions, references. References, this is the format, title and authors and so on. So last slide, instead of thanks, better to say questions. You are giving a scope. You ask me question like that. Maybe next slide can be a thanks. Okay. So this is the idea. Now let me show the animation part of this. Slide show from the beginning. So whenever I click, coming like this. Here, click fastly instead of showing all, just introduction, nanotechnology, why to use solar cells like that. Read fastly accordingly. Principle, construction of plastic solar cells, working of plastic solar cells like that. You speak out fast instead of showing all at a time. But sometimes here I group it, improvement to conclusion, so one group. A similar points also can be grouped or one by one also can be shown depending on the. And I have maintained uniform animation in all the slides. One slide, one kind of animation, another slide, another kind of animation. No. Whatever animation is there, all these slides, the same thing is made. So first bullet, second bullet, third bullet, like that, fourth. Then heading, again bullets, then picture, like this. That order depending on the topic, which one should become first. Accordingly, you can select. Here image is coming first. That is the necessary. This. Or bullet points first, then image. According to the topic, you can always change. So like this, it will come. So uniformity is maintained. That is important. That uniformity is important. Your application continued. Previous application space is not sufficient. Second slide is application continued dot dot. That style is better. I am not telling all of you follow as it is. You can do better than this. You keep it as a reference. You try to have better than this. Okay. So almost came to end. Over. Then another slide. FinFET for chip fabrication. So here the background is different. Here a seminar on not written. This is another format, is also fine. Rule number and name written in single line. This is also okay. 2 lines also okay. This is another style, acceptable. It's not a blunder, any mistakes. So this background is different. Here black heading, numbers are written here. Actually, I advised bottom right corner, but here right side is written. And numbers will start from the next page onwards. So this is the design. If you see a design, so this is the design this candidate selected. If you don't want this is the normal plain. So there are so many are there. Whatever which one is best that you can select. So there are different styles are there. Anyone you can. But in this is selected, and bullet style is different. There is another bullet style. Okay. So everywhere this black color is with white written, page numbers right side coming, bullet style different, background color is also different, and images are anyway there. Just observe this style. And these images originally these right spaces are there. Now I increased the image size. See, the total available area is fully utilized. Fully utilized. That is important. So this seminar contains so many pictures only. Always single image, make it center. Make it center. Okay. So here if you see, this is 36. Text is 24. Text is 24. And line space, here multiple is selected. Multiple means this 0.9 points, 0.9 spacing is maintained for every line. So you can also select multiple options. Okay. Here this student all bullets points kept at one box only. One box only. So that modifications can be done easily. Some student one bullet, one text box, second bullet, second text box, like that they have selected. Comparing with that, this is convenient. This is convenient. So in this slide design, this right side page numbers coming, not a bad. We give some broad guidelines, but within the guidelines, if you can show better, no problem. So this is I changed this. You see, this size is increased, this size is increased. Then right margin is straight. Okay. Earlier it is very zigzag manner. So I modified like. So let us see the actual presentation, how it looks like. Slideshow from the beginning. So this heading and name all came at a time. Next to content. So like this, every click one is done. Okay. Third slide. Just to speed, just observe the total space is effectively utilized. That is my intention. Full space is utilized. Full space. Just see, full space is utilized. Here figures also adjusted. So background one color, heading one color, text another color, bullet points different. Just observe. So this text size uniformity is important. Spacing uniformity is important. Okay. So last slide is a thank you, or before that questions. Accordingly, you can plan. Here you have home. Let me go to insert. So you can insert a table in this slide. Some pictures you can insert. Some online pictures you can screenshot, photo albums, different shapes. So all options are there. Depending on your requirement, you can make use of this. And design is these things, depending upon your topic. So which one you think good, accordingly you can select. This is a transition like this heading, how it should be transferred accordingly. Okay. So here I selected a split. So split means like this. It is a split slideshow from the beginning. That is a split. So split is there, reveal. So just to go through whichever is suitable best, accordingly you can select everywhere. Again, you have a animation. Animation, different slides are there. Then slideshow from the beginning, from current slide, uh, custom slide, depending on your where you want to start. So all options are there, accordingly you can select. Okay, so editing, all those things are very easy. Even this bullet, here you have a bullet points, bullet to dot. Okay, so like a star, circle, different bullet options are there. Then you have a number style, 1, 2, 3, like this. Number style option is there. And the line alignment, 1, 1.5, 2, or line spacing. So left alignment, right alignment, bold, italic, underline, then Times New Roman, everything, all facilities, just use them. All facilities use them. Accordingly, you can modify. Okay, so let me show another one. These three are three different styles, but all are good. All I edited wherever necessary, modifications done. So these things definitely will help you how you can prepare a better PPTs. So here a technical seminar on, here yellow color selected because this should be highlighted. Name, rule number. Rule number here purposefully I kept in the center. You can have a right alignment. Left is also not a bad. Okay. So according to the title, there is one picture also there in the center. Here number started with from here only, not a mistake. Third slide onwards, you can give number. From here also you can give number. There is also one of the slide. That's not a big mistake. So contents again list is there. Here heading is red color I selected purposefully. Background one color, heading one color, text is another color, three colors. And font size is also heading size different, content size different. Here page numbers, right corner coming. So here bullet points, all are single line. If all are single line, alignment not necessary. So this table initially very small size, now purposefully increased the bigger one. Here again heading is again subheading is there na. This is the main bullet points. Again text matter. So different colors are used here. So initially this figure is very small, I increased it. So again another comparison. So this color heading again changed. Wherever necessary, you can change it. Here bullet to bullet, here bullet points again different. Style is different. And bullet point to next bullet point to space not there. Because the matter is more, here scope is not there. So bullet point will take care of. This is also not a blunder. But if space is available, better to maintain. So here too much of information is there. You can also make it two slides, advantages, next slide advantages, continuation dot dot like that. So here conclusion, here spacing is there because matter is less. References. Thank you. So let us see animation presentation of this. So a technical seminar on so and so, again like this. So we can have like this. Contents. Here I grouped it. Introduction, history, key features, I grouped it. General specification, etc. grouped it. These are all Thunderbolt, Thunderbolt, Thunderbolt. So grouped it. So that also we can apply. Here one beauty is history is heading. So this Thunderbolt image is there na every slide. So that is one uniqueness in this you can observe. Here this bullet style is different, background different again. Heading red color is I kept it. These are three different styles. So here image is there, that's for right alignment is not up extended up to right edge. Okay. So all of you go through these things. I hope you got some idea how you can select. If there is any doubts, you can ask in the comments. So all of you, please share this video to all your friends, any college friends, any branch. Please share this video so that all students let and get some benefit after watching this video. So I am preparing this video keeping all students in mind. Recently, I am the judge for so many technical seminars. So many mistakes students are doing. 50% of the students, they are not understanding what I am telling even. Okay. So keeping average student to below average students in mind, I prepared. Best student anyway, they themselves gather the information, they themselves learn it. So I am not for best students, average students to below average. But this category of percentage is more nowadays. So all of you, any presentation, it can be project seminar, project seminar, it can be technical seminar, it can be even any lecture you are giving, okay, any resource person anywhere. So it's a general common guidelines. You can do really better than this. Take this as a reference. Try to do better than this. So thank you. Wish you all the best.